Hey YouTube, so this is my Tamiya Toyota Tundra high lift kit that I had built about a year ago, and this kit is amazing. It looks really great. It looks scaled to me. One of the best bodies that I've actually had, and I have a few other cars that I still believe that this one is one of the best ones. So the only thing that I never really liked about this one was the way that the wheels and tires fit. Not even the original ones. If you see the picture back there, you can see that those that it came with, they never looked right to me. Those were actually too small. And I tried a couple of things. I tried 2.2s. I tried wide stance wheels, and scale wheels and whatnot. So I came up with an idea that I have seen in other videos. And in this case, I'm going to do it with these RPM 2.2 wheels, and I'm actually going to paint them. I'm going to paint them a bronze color with that paint right there. I'm going to see how that looks. And these 2.2s, I'm going to actually match it with these 1.9 tires. These are not expensive tires. I actually bought these in eBay. And they're great because they're actually pretty wide. So once you put them on the 2.2s, I was testing it the other day, it has a really nice look to it. And then I'm going to fit it, and I'm going to show you guys what it looks like, and even do a video run. So we'll see how it goes. You can always also follow me on Instagram at Ramstop. I post all my pictures there and show some of the stuff that I do. And hope you guys can keep on joining me with this video. So we're going to continue to do this and see how far we can get and how great it's going to look. So here is the wheels painted and the tires fitted. I actually think it looks great. It looks much better. I like the way it looks.